Hi everyone, I'm WFAA Chief Meteorologist Pete Delkus. A quick update on our WFAA Weather Alert Day. We're looking at some overnight and early morning thunderstorms. The time of concern is 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. and the impact, it's what we've been saying for multiple days now. Unfortunately, this hasn't changed. I was hoping the threat would lower, but it hasn't. Damaging winds during this time frame, winds up to 60 miles an hour, hail that could be up to the size of quarters, and possibly a brief, weak, isolated tornado spin up. That's all a possibility, all three of those options. So what you need as we head through the rest of the night, you need to stay updated. Tune in to daybreak on Tuesday from 5 to 7 a.m. Of course, we'll be here throughout the night as we always are, keeping you updated as well, and download the WFAA app for all your alerts. As we head through the overnight, the Dallas-Fort Worth area and locations off to the northwest are looking at, again, the same risks that I just detailed, but a slight to an enhanced risk there. And during the day on Tuesday morning, the severe risk shifts off to the east of us. This is mainly Tuesday midday and then into the afternoon. That shifts into parts of East Texas with the same severe weather threat. So as we head through the remainder of this night, we're looking at a line of thunderstorms that will start to develop out in the big country, out in the rolling plains of Texas, out to the west of Abilene. By 3 o'clock in the morning, that's where this activity will be. It'll be approaching the Dallas-Fort Worth area. There it is at 4 a.m. from Gainesville to Bowie, near Decatur, just west of Mineral Wells to Breckenridge and Eastland to Graham, all under the threat of thunderstorms at 4 a.m. 5 a.m. it's approaching the Metroplex, just starting to enter the far west side of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, just the western side of Denton County, west side of Tarrant County. That's at 5 a.m. I'll step out of the way here so you can see what else is happening, because we have a little additional scattered rain in advance of the main line of storms. At 6 o'clock in the morning, thunderstorms are in the Dallas-Fort Worth area in the Metroplex at 6 a.m. We'll have thunderstorms around at 7 a.m. At 8 a.m., a lot of the activity is shifting to the east of Dallas, so the morning rush, at least part of the morning rush, will be wet. Some lingering thunderstorms on the backside at 8 a.m. will be bringing some rain into parts of North Texas. Other parts of the Dallas-Fort Worth area are starting to see the sun come out at 8 a.m. And certainly by 9 a.m., the cold front, a Pacific front, it's well to the east of us. It's in East Texas by 9 a.m. and that means the Dallas-Fort Worth area is seeing sunshine. And we'll have sunshine around as we head through the morning, and then as we go through the afternoon, it'll be partly sunny. So mostly sunny. This storm system moves in and out very, very quickly. Within about an hour or less, it'll dump a lot of heavy rain in a brief period of time. It'll bring with it that severe weather threat, but then we'll have quickly clearing skies behind the front once the rain comes to an end. And remember, it won't last long. The sun will come out, and then we'll have a little bit of cloud cover as we head through the afternoon. But behind that cold front, tonight through 9 p.m. on Tuesday, a wind advisory is in place, so you can expect wind gusts of around 50 miles an hour, so very, very strong winds, and a high fire danger. Fire danger at its highest to the west of the WFAA viewing area, out in the big country, out in the rolling plains of Texas. That's where we'll have a red flag warning, 9 a.m. until 7 p.m. on Tuesday. The ongoing drought, the dry fuels, the low afternoon humidity, the strong winds, all of that will create this red flag warning danger. So at extreme fire danger in these locations. This red flag warning could be shifted a bit more off to the east to include some western sections of North Texas. We'll keep an eye on that and, of course, keep you updated. In addition to the high fire danger, the strong winds, look at these wind gusts as we head through the day tomorrow. This is why the wind advisory is in place. Strong winds, 40 to 50 mile an hour winds are possible as we head through the latter part of the morning, certainly throughout the afternoon. They all die down as we head into the evening hours. So, blowing dust. I do have blowing dust in my forecast. So is this cold front, again, a Pacific front, not an Arctic front, but a Pacific front that'll move through. On the backside of that, strong west-northwesterly winds will blow in, and that will bring in a lot of dust from West Texas, anywhere parts of the Panhandle all the way down to Lubbock, and then south of there to Midland, Odessa. We're looking at a lot of dust that's going to blow in just because it's been so dry out there. They haven't had much in the way of rain, if any at all, in the last month or more. So a lot of that dust from West Texas will blow into North Texas. So don't be surprised, along with the windy weather, a lot of hazy skies during the day tomorrow. So thunderstorms develop overnight. Some of those severe, very windy overnight, 61's a low. During the day tomorrow, we quit after some early morning rain. Skies quickly clear, blowing dust, very windy, 72. That's the high tomorrow. There's the next 14 days. Pretty nice weather Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We'll have some scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder on Saturday. Right now, no severe weather expected on Saturday, I should say. And then the time change happens this weekend. Spring forward. Daylight saving time begins late Saturday night. Standard time ends. Sunshine on Sunday. We'll hit 70 for the high. And don't forget, with the time change, don't forget to change your batteries and the carbon monoxide detectors. So the batteries and the smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, always a good reminder to do that this time of year. Sunshine 70 on Sunday, 76 on Monday, and then the final 7 of the 14 days. A little bit of rain that following weekend, March 14th. That's that Friday, I should say, and then that following weekend after that, that Saturday and Sunday, the 15th and 16th of March. Sunshine, high temps those days in the 70s. And then St. Patrick's Day, day 14 on the 14-day forecast. Right now, I do not have any freezes in the forecast, but we do have this threat of severe weather overnight and early on Tuesday morning. That's why we have that red block there on the Tuesday page. It is a WFAA weather alert day, 4 a.m. Tuesday to 8 a.m. Make sure you stay with us for the latest.